capital A, it is small a. So in this video we will learn words which begin with letter A.
A for
Apple.
A for
Alligator.
A for
Add.
A for
Animals.
A for
Aim.
A for
Ask.
A for
Arrow.
A for
Air.
A for
Alone.
A for
Anchor.
A for
Aeroplane.
A for
Ankle.
A for
Ark.
A for
Africa.
A for
Axis.
A for
Angle.
A for
Auto rickshaw.
A for
Accident.
A for
Ant.
A for
Ape.
A for
Alphabets.
A for
Application.
A for
X.
A for
Audience.
A for
Antelope.
A for
Apricot.
A for
Attack.
A for
Ambulance.
A for
Avocado.
A for
Angry.
A for
Award.
A for
Alarm.
A for
S.
A for
Ash.
A for
Aqua.
A for
Aquarium.
A for
Almirah.
A for
Antenna.
A for
Art.
A for
Artist.
A for
Artery.
A for
Addition. Thanks for watching.